G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. Received a box in the mail from KickAss, or Aussie Direct, Australian Direct. They're a supplier of KickAss products. I'm pretty sure this is the pump. I've got a couple of things coming from them. We'll open this today, have a look at the pump, first impressions, and weigh it. So very short video, that's what it's about. If you're interested, stick around. If not, hit the thumbs up for me and then go find something you are interested. If you get anything out of the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up for me. It helps the channel. And subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm going to be doing a lot more short videos. And all it's going to cover is products and also news. What's happening around the traps in relation to overlanding and camping. Volt portable air compressor. Battery leads. Oh, a reasonably good quality. Oh, it is a good quality and good quality pump. So this is your deflator. Easy deflation. Stick it on your valve, press that button and it lets air down. Release the button, tells you how much air you've let out or how much air you have left. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a fluid filled gauge to make it nice and smooth. KickAss super powerful air compressor, 160 litres per minute. The specs, let me put my specs on. KickAss Air Comp 160, voltage 12 volt to 13.8 volt, maximum pressure 150 psi, amperage 45 amps max, airflow 160 litres per minute. So just before we say goodbye, let's see how easy it goes away. There are pockets in here for the different things. Let's throw this compressor in first. It's quite a loose bag, so it's quite an easy fit. Good quality canvas. Pocket there for the handpiece. There's a little divider in this pocket, so you've got room for both. Goes away nice and neat. Flap over. Yep, pretty impressed with the bag. Let's see what it weighs. So total weight in the bag, everything in it, 12 kilos. That's not too bad. 12 kilo air compressor from KickAss. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.